In the vast and powerful offshore wind industry, precision is key. Offshore structures face extreme forces from wind, waves, and currents. For their stability and longevity, ensuring a perfect fit when they are constructed is crucial. Fugro offers cutting-edge dimensional control services, providing precise measurements and expert analysis for modular construction blocks. From photogrammetry to laser tracker measurements, our precise methods ensure submillimetre accuracy. We measure, analyze, and report to ensure you always get the most reliable results. Our expertise spans the globe, delivering first-rate dimensional control services for projects worldwide. From surveying blocks at manufacture sites to their assembly, Fugro ensures a perfect control to secure pieces will fit together no matter where in the world your project is. Fugro's dimensional control, precision, reliability, and efficiency for the modular construction industry.